All right, guys. So this is a theme I've been seeing lately. I've seen tweets, I've seen videos, and I'm going to tell you what's amusing about it. And you know what? There's a lot of truth to this. And I'm a guy who's run a trading room since 2004, probably before a lot of these people had their first computer that are calling day trading chat room scams, right? But what's amusing to me is one guy who's basically, or a group of guys, basically said to everyone, hey, we're the best traders in the world. You know, they're young, backwards cap, nothing but cuss words. Look at my nice car, or in some cases, my dad's nice car that I'm going to pretend is my car, right? They make these videos of them driving around town, cussing like crazy, and literally just speaking with contempt about anyone who runs a trading chat room, right? Because, oh, they just do it for the sub money because they're sucky traders. Well, okay, the weird thing is, the one group I'm talking about that they have their own chat room, right? So it's a little bizarre to me to be cutting down chat rooms and wait a minute, we're different, we're legit, everyone else sucks, right? You can't trade, so you start a chat room. Another guy, I just saw a video last night, was bragging at what a pro he was. He's already tweeted since then how all trading chat rooms are scams. Guess what? Guess what he runs? Oh, a trading chat room. He was bragging in this video the other night that, yes, I took this trade and yes, I'm down 200,000 on it. I didn't say that wrong. You heard that right. 200,000. But because I'm a professional trader, I used options to hedge my position. So the worst case is I'm going to lose 200,000. That might be the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Calling yourself a pro. That's like saying I'm a professional parachutist and, splat. It just, to me, I can't even get my head around people that are running rooms and proven to do really stupid things like be down 200,000 and brag about it because that's the most they can lose. Or to say, I earned this fancy car, with my trading profit, unlike all these furus who run rooms. Remember, the guy runs a room. Oh, and it turns out it's his dad's car, caught on video. So, there's another room. The guy finds the lowest float stock on the planet and then calls himself long in it at the opening bell. Subs dive into it. He scales out, makes a video saying, look how much I made. And it's legit. He's not front running. He's buying it. Then he's telling people he's buying it. They're running it up. He's selling into it. And he posts a video that night. I made $6,000. And then everyone who got their ass handed to him says, man, I just got to learn to trade like this guy. So yes, there's a bunch of damn scams out there. I would note, I haven't been listed in any of these videos about chat room scammers, but I do want to show you something about a real chat room from a guy who's been doing it since 2004. The thing I'm most proud of in the chat room I run, bear with me, let me try to get this going here a little cleaner. The thing I'm most proud of in the chat room I run is the teamwork. And so I took a screenshot. What I did was I did a chat room search, what you can do in our chat room. You can do a search for any symbol, any name, and go back, and everything's timestamped, right? So you can see who posted what. So UXIN, and I see this line here. These are 2-minute candles. So this was for the first 14 minutes of the day. It kept bumping its head on 650, right? So it broke out about 15 minutes into the session. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go back and see how many people alerted a setup that we teach on this in our chat room, right? Many of our traders have taken our course, know exactly what to look for, and then we just show up and people just want to help other people, right? Look at all these posts. Patrick SP, UXIN, huge refresher at 650. This is one of the setups. If you've seen our free inflection points video, you know half numbers and whole numbers are possible inflection points, assuming the chart and level 2 makes sense, right? In this case, UXIN was meeting the parameters we teach. So Patrick points out the seller at 650. Then Patrick puts out his idea of red to green, which would be 651, right? Red to green, actually probably not the right term there because it looks like it opened down here, but I know what Patrick meant. He meant the break of 650. Mark D.O. UXIN keeps bumping 650. There's 8 minutes in, there's 3 alerts. Another minute, over 650 but hidden seller there by Alan MC. Patrick putting out the 651 ID. I mean, how many alerts do people need to see that UXIN is meeting a parameter that we teach? Notice it wasn't a buy at the open. And notice that's not my dad's car in my garage. Alan MC again. Ramesh, UXIN, worth watching over 650, 651. Patrick again. Ramesh again, and then Jane, UXIN tight flag. How many alerts? And the cool thing about our chat room is you can do a search every day for a symbol or a member, and you can go back and look at the timestamps, and you could say to yourself, you know what? Damn, I'm going to put this Patrick SP, Mark D.O., Alan MC, Ramesh, Jane. I'm going to put them all on my hot script list, which, you know what that does? Those people on your hot script list show up in a separate chat window. So you have a concentrated window of people that you know what a good setup looks like and are happy to tell you beforehand. I love that part about my chat room. That's why HotCom's an old technology, and it looks like a year 2000 chat room where, you know, you go to pick up Asians. Is that wrong? Is that politically incorrect? But it's got this cool feature, right? And so you can build your hot script list. You can go back and do searches and say, you know, I'm going to put all these people on my hot script list. Not only do they show up in a separate window once you put them on your hot script list, you can add a sound to it too. So when anyone on your hot script list posts something, you get a little ding or whatever sound you've chosen, and you know to look up a chat. So it also keeps you from staring at chat. So people that make fun of our old school looking chat room, that's the reason I love it right there. I love Trade Ideas, one of the best scanners in the world, but I actually view our chat room, once you've been in there a while, as a better scanner because you can figure out who to follow by doing searches and looking at this. And by the way, I'll bring this up on a chart on a different monitor. UXIN is actually trading at 844 right now, so it's still continuing. So anyway, I'm going to cut this short. I just wanted to get on and talk about these people saying that there's a lot of chat room scams out there. They're absolutely right. Most of them saying it fit right in that category themselves. But hopefully you see we're a little bit different.